Welcome to the announcement of grant winners from the 2020 Loudoun Innovation Challenge. I'm Buddy Rizer, Executive Director of the Loudoun County Department of Economic Development and the Executive Director of the Loudoun Economic Development Authority. 6 feet away from me is the Economic Development Authority Chairman, Mark Madigan. Mark, thank you for being with us today. We'd like to talk a little bit about the Innovation Challenge. This was a first of its kind for Loudoun County and the vibrant entrepreneurial ecosystem here. What made this a priority goal for the EDA, and what was the goal of this challenge?
So the priority of this initiative was really to connect and put the spotlight on the entrepreneurial talent in Loudoun County. If you look at how we're a world leader in a lot of areas, we also think that we're a world leader in entrepreneurship.
One of the interesting things about this is that you did not require all businesses to be Loudoun based. Instead, they simply had to commit to office space or jobs in Loudoun. Did you see this as a business attraction tool?
Absolutely. We wanted to highlight what a great place Loudoun County. There's a lot of entrepreneurship around the nation, but we didn't feel that we were necessarily viewed at the level we should be. So opening this up for anyone that's interested in either staying in Loudoun County or being in Loudoun County was important.
The challenge was conceived last fall and launched in January, long before we could have imagined the complete economic disruption caused by COVID-19. This was not intended to be a business relief grant, but did you see an increase in interest because of this crisis?
I think we definitely saw an increase, although overall the response was just incredible. But there definitely was an uptick in the number that applied for this because of the crisis that we're in right now.
Originally, you were going to only advance 6 finalists. You ended up advancing 8. How did that happen?
So this was an amazing response just in the number. It was very challenging to get down to a set of finalists. Originally, we thought that we'd be able to get down to 6. And as we were getting down to the final set, there were just so many that were close that we wanted to hear from. And since the finalists were all going to be given an opportunity to present to us, we thought opening it up to 2 more that were just all so close would be the best way to go, so that we could hear from the top 8 that, all were considered a company that could be a winner.
Let's go ahead and announce the 8 finalists for anyone who might have missed that.
So the finalists are Amplio, which develops AI models of athletes from wearable data, allowing a coach or a team to monitor the athlete's injury status and training progress, submitted by Trung Tran. BarTrack, which has created a revolutionary beverage sensor that tracks inventory and optimizes the quality of consumer draft products, submitted by Brett Danielson. Calypso, which is a software company that builds tools for trusted AI, allowing any team to rapidly develop, test, and deploy artificial intelligence and data science systems that are natively secure, robust, and explainable to enhance their mission, submitted by Tyler Sweat. Jiva Informatics Solutions, which is on a mission to decentralize and optimize clinical research, reducing patients' travel burden in half by using video conferencing, remote monitoring, and digital engagement, submitted by Harshra Rajasimha. Core Performance, which has built the Ice Age ecosystem, a low-profile hydration and cooling system that provides environmental inoculation and performance enhancement for man and machine, submitted by Justin Lee. Rebion, which built Rebiscan, the first technology platform for physicians to accurately identify functional impairments of the brain, submitted by Justin Shaka. Resource Path, which is a woman-owned small business founded by academic pathologists and molecular technologists who see the urgent need to improve the care of individuals with cancer and emerging infectious diseases, submitted by Ashley Hill. Sciento, which created a hive mist device to reduce honeybee colony losses with a sensor-enabled maintenance system that performs automated pest management submitted by Octavia Laurentis.
Mark, a lot of great companies there. What are some of the things that stood out to you among this field of finalists?
It was really exciting to go through it. I mean, the reaction that the members of the EDA had in really learning things. There were some innovations that we just had no idea were even possible. So the one thing that I would say was the diversity of the ideas that are in this area or want to be in this area are just incredible.
Because of the way in which the final selections were made, all members of the EDA voted electronically, which means even you don't know who actually won. So without further ado, let's go to the winners. This is one of 3 runners-up in no particular order, each of which will receive $25,000.
Okay, let's see the first runner-up. Resource Path, Ashley Hill.
And now another runner-up.
Bar Track, Brett Danielson.
This is the final runner-up and $25,000.
Core Performance, Justin Lee.
And now for our grand prize winner, which will receive $75,000.
And the grand prize winner is Calypso AI, Tyler Sweat.
Thank you for watching this announcement of the Loudoun Economic Development Authority's 2020 Innovation Challenge. In its inaugural year, the challenge received applications from 71 businesses in all stages of development and from all sectors and industries. The high caliber of applications shows the amazing opportunities for innovation in Loudoun County. Congratulations to the winners, and we look forward to working with you and your businesses in the future. Thank you for making this Loudoun possible.